Now, here I am going to discuss questions of ellipse asked in September 2020. Look at the board, I have first question. Okay, see, this question is asked in 4th September morning session. Read out the question, you just think about it, I am going to discuss now. Let x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. It is an ellipse equation. Length of lattice rectum is 10. Since a greater than b, we know that length of lattice rectum as what? 2b square by a, which is 10. Its eccentricity is maximum of this function. See, eccentricity is not given directly. Maximum of this function is eccentricity of that ellipse. Using that, we need to calculate the value of a square plus b square, and this question is asked in 4th September morning. So first of all, we need to find out the maximum value of this function. So you just go with calculus method to find out the maximum value of a function. Okay, it is a quadratic actually. Either you may go with quadratic idea or you may go with calculus idea, no problem, right? Okay, can I go with quadratic method instead of the calculus? So this is a, when just compare this equation minus t square plus t plus 5 by 12 with ax square plus bx plus c. General quadratic expression. X square coefficient is a, here t square coefficient is minus 1. Since it is negative, the general shape of the parabola is downward, and so it has maximum. So that maximum we need to find out. So maximum value is given by, what is the maximum value of the quadratic expression, which is usually, see, to avoid confusion I am just using capital ABC here, okay, ax square px plus c. Maximum value of the quadratic expression is given by 4ac minus b square divided by 4a. Okay, now a is minus 1, 4 into minus 1. What is c? C, if you compare it, is 5 by 12. So 5 by 12 minus b square. B is this 1. Given minus t square plus t plus 5 by 12, it is a quadratic in terms of t. And usually we move with the quadratic in terms of x. That's it, no problem. Divided by 4a. 4 into minus 1. Now you just try to simplify this. This is what? 4 3's. So minus 5 by 3 minus 1. Minus 5 by 3 minus 1 divided by minus 4. And when you think about the numerator, minus 5 by 3 minus 1 is minus 8 by 3 and minus 4. So minus 8 by 3 and minus 4 is simply nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is the maximum value of this quadratic expression, nothing but for this function. That 2 by 3 we need to treat it as eccentricity of the ellipse. Therefore, eccentricity of the given ellipse is 2 by 3. Okay, length of lattice rectum is also given as 2b square by a. Okay, right. Now you just convert the problem now in terms of ellipse. Now use the rules, definitions and words related to ellipse. Now we have length of lattice rectum, which is 2b square by a, as 10, and eccentricity of the ellipse as 2 by 3. What is eccentricity? For an ellipse, the eccentricity is nothing but you just square it first. E square is equals to 4 by 9, and that e square is nothing but 1 minus, what we need to take? B square by a square. 1 minus b square by a square is equals to 4 by 9. So now we need to calculate a square plus b square. So there is just none. Calculating maximum value of the quadratic is clear. And now, so if we use here, 2b square by a is equals to 10, as well 1 minus b square by a square is equals to 4 by 9. You use a square plus b square find out. So b square is equals to 5a and raskochu. ఇక్కడ నుంచి క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే సింపుల్గా b స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 5a అని యూజ్ చేసి a ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే నా టాస్క్ ఈజీ అవుతుంది కదా. సో 1 మైనస్ b స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ 5a డివైడెడ్ బై a స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 4 by 9. You just cancel out a and a. Okay, and then if you simplify this side, a minus 5 by a is equals to 4 by 9. Just simply do cross multiplication. You have 9a minus 45 is equals to 4a. Is it right? And then 9a minus 4a is 5a. 5a is equals to 45. A is equals to 9. Since a is equals to 9, what you say about b square? Then b square is equals to 5a. So 5 nines is 45. I don't need b. Actually, I need to find a square plus b square. A is 9. So a square is 81. Our task is to find a square plus b square. 81 plus 45, we need to add 6 and 12. 126 is our answer at the end. Okay, just have a look. That's the problem. Okay, now this question is asked in 4th September evening. What is the question? X is equals to 4 be the directrix of ellipse whose center is at origin. Its eccentricity is 1 by 2. Okay. If point P 1 comma beta for beta greater than 0 is a point on this ellipse, then we need to find out the normal at this point P. First of all, we need to find the equation of ellipse using the given conditions, and then we need to find out point P. After that, normal at point P. Everything we need to find one by one. See, you just imagine a standard equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. You just compare everything with the standard ellipse equation. For the standard ellipse equation, we know that directrix is x is equals to a by e. Okay. So here x is equals to 4 is mentioned as directrix. So we have that a by e is equals to 4. And then eccentricity is given as 1 by 2. So E is equals to 1 by 2. Use these two to get the value of A. Okay. So from these two, A is equals to 4 into 1 by 2, that is equals to 2. Now I have A. A, E. Use these two to find B now. What is E? E is 1 minus B square by A square is equals to 1 by 2 square. Is it right? 1 minus b square by a square is e square. So 1 by 2 square. Already we have a, replace here. So this implies 1 minus b square by 4 is equals to 1 by 4. Multiply everything with 4 and get the value of b square. So I think so b square is equals to 3, right? We have b square. We have a. So what is the equation of ellipse? X square by a square means 4 plus y square by 3 is equals to 1. This is the equation of ellipse. Now, as they said, P1 comma beta is a point on the ellipse. Okay, now use that point. Since P1 comma beta is on ellipse, then what we need to do? Replace x with 1, y with beta. Again now 1 by beta plus beta square by 3 is equals to 1. So beta square by 3 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So beta is equals to plus or minus 3 by 2. But as they mentioned beta greater than 0, we need to take only positive beta, which is 3 by 2. So beta is equals to 3 by 2. So point P is nothing but 1 comma 3 by 2. Okay. After having point P as 1 comma 3 by 2, we need to find out normal equation for this ellipse at this point. So our point with normal equation find out chair. So we have different ways to find the normal equation. Direct general way of normal equation, general normal equation తెలుసుంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. తెలియకపోతే find slope of tangent and then slope of normal, then with the normal equation. So what will be the slope of tangent for this? I am moving in that way. So slope of tangent కావాలంటే ఈ కర్వ్ యొక్క డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ కావాలి నాకు. So x square derivative is 2x by 4, y square derivative is 2y y dash by 3 is equals to 0. Since it is equals to 0, just neglect that 2. Then minus x by 4 వెళ్తుంది కదా, y dash is equals to minus x by 4. So minus 3x by 4y is y dash. Since it is y dash, the slope of tangent at that point is nothing but minus 3 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 2. 2 2's and then 3 will cancel each. So slope of tangent is minus 1 by 2. Slope of tangent minus 1 by 2 aithe, then slope of normal is simply 2. Slope of normal is 2. Point is 1 comma 3 by 2. We need to find the equation of the normal. So where I have to do? So equation of normal find out cheyochu. Y minus 3 by 2 is equals to 2 into x minus 1 is the equation of normal. Normal slope point tells kada. So then simplify chesthe we will get the answer. Okay, have a look.